Hello.
Hi.
Hello, welcome back to video 2. I hope everyone is doing okay in this hard time where we're in isolation. We've got Ben working out here. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, enjoy.
I love that you played that off.
Enjoy.
Still looking at the camera.
Part 2.
Okay, so we put expanding foam in all the holes of the roof of the van. And then we've got Ben here putting foil board into the roof, and then he's gluing down wood to support it, to hold it up. We've put wood filler over all the little screws in the wood so it's flush, and then we're going over 2 coats of primer. Ben made a box to go over the metal at the back of the van. Looks really good. And now time for the roof. So we are making holes in this board for the lights. Ben's made boxes to go over the wheels. And there's the bed frame. Ben has made a box, which is also a seat and a storage compartment, which looks awesome. And here's the second seat that will face opposite that first seat. This seat will store all of the batteries and wires, so they're just tucked out of the way.
Okay, so Ben has built the frame of our kitchen. So I'll just show you where we're putting everything in our kitchen. In this little frame here is where our fridge is going. And then we actually just bought this 2-burner stove. It's gorgeous. And that will go in a little shelf just up here. And then we'll have 2 big drawers underneath that. And then over on this side is basically just where our water heater is, and we'll have like a bin in there and everything. But it's looking really good. Good job. That's our pole for our curtains that are going up here. Say hi.
Hi.
You haven't said hi on my videos yet.
Hi, how's it going?
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ben. I build things.
He builds things.
I try to build things.
Okay, so this is the exciting bit because okay, I'll wait.
Done. Installed.
So today we picked up the foam for our seats. We got these custom cut, and I'm gonna make the cushion covers for them. What will happen is we can take these 2 out in the middle. So this middle bit comes out, and then gives us 2 little seating options here and here. And then we'll also have a drawer here, which is a pull-out table. Then we can have like dinner. Super cute. Hello. So what I've done is I've bought some fabric that matches all of this up here, And what Ben's done, he's glued it to the little shelf because it was just wood, so it like matches. I think it looks really good. It's not exact, but it does the job. I also bought curtains that were already made, and then basically I've cut them so they fit, blocking off the cabin. So I'll show you. I haven't sewed them yet though. So I've cut them to size. We've made a little flap here, and we're going to get Velcro and just stick it all the way along there. We're going to have a pantry there anyway, so you won't even see that. Also with this side, we'll Velcro just so you can't see light when it's closed. And we're all done. As I said, I've put on Velcro here, and then same on this side. Now that's all sewed and done, I'm going to go make the cushions now. Okay, so far I've got these two.
Someone's getting a little bit over sanding. Let's have a look at her. Yeah, she doesn't usually sand, and I don't think she's liking it because that's actually the hardest part. Looking good, looking good.
Well, I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching this far into my video. I hope you're enjoying our video because we've done so much and we're really proud and excited of what we've done so far. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and get keen for part 3.